Welcome to FxPro. In this video, we'll guide you through the quick and easy steps to verify your account using the FxPro website. First, go to the FxPro website and log in using your registered email address and password, if you have. Once you've logged in, go to your account profile in the top right-hand corner. Here, you'll find the Upload Documents section. Depending on where you are located, you may be required to upload certain documents. Typically, this includes a valid government-issued ID and possibly a proof of residence, like a recent utility bill or bank statement. Make sure the picture includes the full page of your ID, is clear and not blurry, and shows all relevant details such as your document ID number, full name, date of birth, and expiry date. You will then be prompted to take a selfie to confirm your identification. After uploading your documents, submit them for review. Verification usually takes just a few minutes. Once your account is verified, you're all set to start funding and trading.